In this video, we're going to cover integrating ServiceTitan as a new user. Click on the Settings tab, and under the Account section, you'll see a tab called Integrations. We're going to click that, and we're going to head on over to Connect Field Service Management Software here. When I hit Connect Now, you'll see a number of integration options that Ply offers, and we're going to click ServiceTitan, and when that is selected, we're going to click Next. Now, the first thing the ServiceTitan is going to ask for is a tenant ID. So we're going to head over to our ServiceTitan account here, and click on the cog in the upper right-hand corner. And when this loads, we're going to head over to the option that says Integrations, and we're going to click on API Application Access. Your tenant ID is located in the upper right-hand corner of ServiceTitan, and so we're going to select this, go back to Ply, and paste this into the tenant location. When I hit Submit, we're making an authorization or a handshake to ServiceTitan, letting them know that we're going to connect Ply with ServiceTitan. Once it's been authorized, it's going to ask us for a few additional items. So let's let this load. Now that it's loaded, it's going to ask us for a client ID and a secret key. So we're going to head back over to ServiceTitan, and we're going to click Connect Now, and you'll choose Ply to connect a new app. When we hit Connect, it's going to show you a number of things that Ply is going to be able to. You're going to allow access and accept the terms and conditions. Once you've accepted the terms and conditions, you're going to select the client ID here by hitting the copy button, and we're going to head back over to Ply, and we're going to paste the client ID into the client ID input box. We're going to head back over to ServiceTitan, and we're going to generate a client secret key. We're going to copy this, and then we're going to head back over to Ply and paste in the client secret key. Next, we're going to choose a primary warehouse to synchronize the data. This is going to be the primary warehouse where when the connection is successfully synced, that your data is going to be synced with. So your price book and your catalog are going to sync into the catalog section, and anything with inventory is going to sync to one of the warehouses that you've selected here. You can select date on when you want to sync the data from. This is syncing your jobs information into Ply. And I'm going to select a date from the beginning of this month and hit Submit. At this point, it's going to ask you for what employees you want to add to Ply from ServiceTitan. So it's going to give you an entire list of employees that you have within ServiceTitan to then create accounts within Ply. You do not have to do this step. This is a step that you can skip and you can do at a later time. However, if you do want to invite a number of users, you can then select their permission setting within the screen and then hit Submit, and they'll receive Ply invitation. I'm going to click Continue and Submit. And you need to wait a few minutes for the data to synchronize. And if we head back over to our catalog, we'll be able to see that our data has successfully synced from ServiceTitan, so we can clear these out. And you'll note in the upper right-hand corner that there is a sync data screen modal that when you select, you can then control the data that you want to sync with Ply from ServiceTitan. This is used for when you want to sync specific sections of ServiceTitan with Ply. Now, the integration itself happens every 5 minutes or so. At any time that you need to resync your items with ServiceTitan or from Ply, if you are expecting something to arrive sooner, you can select the option here, Only Jobs, click Sync, and your data will be synchronized. If we head over to the stock location, we'll be able to see that our default warehouse now has all of the items that it synced with ServiceTitan. And the jobs is beginning to sync with ServiceTitan as well. And you can also control that in the upper right-hand corner here. When you have ServiceTitan jobs that have synced with Ply, it's going to show the source as ServiceTitan here, and it will also show the status of that job as well. And that's it. We've successfully synced ServiceTitan with Ply. We've shown you how the information flows into the catalog, how to control the sync status in the upper right-hand corner, and how it is synced jobs with Ply directly. Let us know if you have any questions.